Right then, I'm going to try and attempt to use some of these old Makita batteries and laptop batteries, lithium batteries I have, and this torch. The torch is 4 batteries, 1.5 volt, these size, but I don't have any of them, it's quite dear, and cheap ones just leak. So what I'm going to do is try and connect 2 batteries in this torch to make up about the same volts. I'm going to use these little battery holders I got from China. Bought them on eBay. There was like £1.50 for, I think it's about 5 of them. I got 3 lots, so I got 15 for less than £4. They're very hard to use though, because it's very hard to get the batteries in, and you can never get them out. You pick them out. So I'm going to try and cut these tabs off to make it easier. So use these pipe cutters. So that's sort of the job. Still going to need a screwdriver to get them out, they're tight still, but much better. I've got a hot glue fuse into here now. The hot glue gun I'm using in this pot side is gas powered, so it's quite handy to use it anywhere. I'll keep it in the camper van for emergencies. Don't need no power to run it, so I've just got gas in it. What I did on this is got some hot glue, and where I poked the wire through the terminal, I just hot glued on it. On the other side, I don't think it's going to work because it hasn't got so much to stick to, much metal. So what I did, I put a copper nail between the spring and terminal on the battery holder. I'm going to just hot glue that in place so it can't move, and hopefully that'll work. No, it's not working yet. There's a bad connection somewhere. I found bad connection. This battery isn't pushing up into the terminal because the holders are tight. So hopefully that'll be the problem. That's my torch working, very bright, very good. So I can just charge them lithium battery up whenever it goes flat. I don't ever need to buy any more batteries for it again, so that's good. Okay, thanks for watching.